How to connect your Epson WorkForce WF-2950 to your Wi-Fi network to be able to print and scan using Wi-Fi. So let's get started by going on the control panel over here. If you do not see this screen, press the home button. Then we need to navigate using these arrows and the OK button. So press up and then right. We need to select what it looks like, a smartphone and a Wi-Fi router. Highlight and press OK. Then press OK again to select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Now we have multiple options on how to connect the printer to your router. My favorite and the easiest one I think is Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. The first one, I'll press OK. So I will select my Wi-Fi network. And now it's time to type the password. So I'll press OK. And using this keyboard and these arrows, I'll be able to type it. I have access to numbers and symbols down below in case you want to type them. Once you have finished typing the password, navigate and highlight the OK button. Press OK and now go down and select Start Setup and press OK. The printer has now been connected. If you press the home button, we're going to see that the Wi-Fi symbol on the top is now in blue, signifying that it has been linked to your network. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.